How to log into Telegram using Gmail. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipan Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can log into Telegram using Gmail. Now if you open up Telegram application here, tap on three horizontal line icon at the top left corner, head into settings, and I'll just head into privacy and security. If I scroll down below here, you can see I have a login email. Now how you can set this. Now if you want to set this, what you want to do is on the privacy and security, you can see the option that is two-step verification. You want to tap on it, and you want to tap on set password, and you want to set a password. Once you set a password, you want to tap on next, and again re-enter the password, and it'll ask you for the backup first password hint. You can skip this if you want, and you want to enter in the recovery email. Whichever recovery email you use will be set as your login email. Now next time you try to log in, it'll ask you for password instead of the login code, and if you don't remember the password, you can use that Gmail as a backup and recover your account. So this way you can use Gmail to log into Telegram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.